Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfa Mutiara Setiarto.
My name is Syadzona Rujanti Fitri and we are from Grade 7.
11-7. Today we're going to tell story named Aladdin.
Long ago, in the town of Berni, a mother living with her son named Aladdin. One day, there came a man who was playing Aladdin approaching. Then the man recognized Aladdin as his nephew. The man took Aladdin, went out of town, and entered Aladdin to help with lighting a fire to cook the meat. The man knew that Aladdin was not his uncle, but instead he shouted and told him to look for firewood. If you do not want to kill Aladdin, Aladdin immediately searched for firewood, but unfortunately, not a single small piece of firewood. Then the magician made the son as a wife, asked the king. Aladdin was very happy to hear it. Then they both performed weddings.
In the cave there is a hole to the bottom of stairs. Come on down, give me some antique lamps at the base of the cave, cried the witch. No, I'm afraid to go down there, replied Aladdin. The magician then pulled out a ring and gave it to Aladdin. If you change your mind to go down to the cave, you can rub the ring and keep yourself safe with a feeling of fear. Having reached the bottom, he found a gem fruit tree. After the fruit, gems and rings are brought home, the antique lamps are asked to be rubbed by a witch. Why do you want me to rub the old lamp? Cried the witch. No, this lamp will give after I came out, replied Aladdin. After the bed, the witch became impatient and forced the ring in Aladdin. A giant fairy appeared, a magician, crushing the old lamp and pit. Aladdin became sad and said pensively, I'm hungry, I want to meet Mom. God help me, said Aladdin. Aladdin clenched his hands and rubbed his finger. Suddenly, round it becomes red and smoke rising. Along with that came a giant. Aladdin was so scared. I'm sorry, because it was shocking us. I was a fairy ring, giant said it with a friendly appearance. I'm happy to meet you. Who wants to help me? Asked Aladdin. In a short time, Aladdin said, Aladdin is already up in front of his house. I call upon the Lord, require rubbing the ringmaster.
Aladdin told him all things in the natural to her mother. Why does the witch want this dirty light you? Said Mom, rubbing the lamp, cleaning. Poof! Suddenly smoke rising and a giant fairy light appeared. Mention Mowish. Master, what do you want? Asked the fairy light. I do not want to go out because we are hungry. Help prepare food for us. In a short time, the fairy lights bring a delicious meal. Delicious then. If anyone wants more, just call me by rubbing the lamp, said the fairy light. Similarly, days, months change. Aladdin living happily with his mother. Aladdin is now a young man. One day, Aladdin was playing on the street. He saw the king's daughter who was bathing on the street. Aladdin and his desire to tell his mother to marry the king's daughter. Quiet, Aladdin, mother out. Mom. The next day, the mother bring the dishes into the king's palace. Sir, this is my son who came to make the son as a wife. Asked the king. Aladdin was very pleased to hear it. Then they both performed weddings.
Upon arriving at her house, immediately rubbed the lamp and asked to bring a light fairy palace. Aladdin and his mother waited at the top of the hill. Soon the fairy lights come with a magnificent palace in his back. Sir, this is my son who came to make Tyson as a wife, asked the king. Aladdin was very happy to hear it. Then they both performed weddings. Far away, the witch turned, saying it all through the crystal ball. He then went to Aladdin and pretended to be a sailor in front of the Aladdin lamp. He shouted, "Change your old bulbs with the new bulbs." The empress, who saw Aladdin lamp old, immediately took an old lamp and exchanged it for a new bulb. Soon the magician rubs the lamp and ordered the fairy lights and bring the castle and its contents to his wife Aladdin. When Aladdin came home from touring, he was shocked, then called the fairy ring and asked him what had happened. "Then please return again everything to me," cried Aladdin. "I'm sorry, sir, my power was not as fairy lights. I have no power to return the castle and its contents to the mistress," said the giant. In despair, the palace, Aladdin sneaked in looking for the room where the princess looked up. "The witch is sleeping due to drinking beer," said the princess. "Well, do not worry. I'll take back the magic lamp. We're going to win," replied Aladdin. Aladdin settled approached the sleeping witch. He turned out magic lamp, drew drink from his pocket. Aladdin then picked it up and immediately rubbed. "Get rid of these criminals," cried Aladdin to the fairy lights, which awoke and agreed Aladdin and the fairy lights to bring the witch and the palace to the sea. "Thank you, fairy lights. Now take us back to the Persian palace." Arriving in Persian, Aladdin happy life. He uses the magic of fairy lights to help the poor and distressed.
Thank you for listening to us. Sorry if there any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.